Welcome to CreamSoda. In this video, we'll guide you through integrating Stripe so you can collect payments. Let's get started. Click your name in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Select My Profile on the Profile page. Click on the Integrations tab. Here you'll find the option to integrate with Stripe. Click the button to proceed. Next, fill out the form. Enter a descriptive name in the name field, such as Stripe for lead forms. Then provide your Stripe publishable key and secret key, which you can find in the Stripe dashboard under the API section. After entering the details, review the information. Click Submit. That's it. You've successfully integrated Stripe with CreamSoda. Start collecting payments today. Thanks for watching.